Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will describe about database, DBMS, SQL table, records and fields. I have collected information from oracle.com and database system concepts, and here are the author's name. So first, what is database? The collection of data, usually referred to as the database, contains information relevant to an enterprise. So what is data? Data is raw material of information, and if the collection of that data is referred to database. So base means a garrison where a unit of soldiers or many soldiers stay for their duty. So collection of data usually referred to as the database. So we'll call the database as the collection of data. And also a database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. So that means if I note down any information in any paper, that will not a database in our programming concepts. So if we store the data or information in computer system, then that will be a database. So DBMS, a database is usually controlled by a database management system. A database management system consists of a collection of interrelated data and a collection of programs to access that data. So DBMS mean not only a collection of data but also to control over that data. SQL, structured query language. SQL is a standard language for storing, manipulating and retrieving data in databases. SQL is used for the following: modifying database table and index structures, adding, updating and deleting rows of data. So it is a language to command a database, to control a database. We will learn more about this in further. Table. Basically we all know about table consists of rows and columns, but in SQL a table is the most basic unit of a database and consists of rows and columns of data. A single table holds records and each record is stored in a row of the table. This is a sample table I have already drawn. So that means you can see ID, name, email, country. That's are the headlines of our table. So this is called a column. This part is column 2, this part is column 3, column 4, and row means this part is a row. First row, this is second row, this is third row, and this is fourth row. So a table is consists of rows and table. So we have to learn about record and field. In the table, rows are referred to as a record and columns refer to field. So the records make up the table rows and while the field make up the table columns. So we can call this row as a record for a student, and we can say about this part of fraction of a row is as field. So we have already known about some basic terms in our required lecture. So thank you everyone.